Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set Apple TV to stream or download via Wi-Fi to use high quality or data saver on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on TV. Next, in here, in the streaming options section, tap on Wi-Fi, and in here you can choose high quality or data saver when you are streaming via Wi-Fi. Now set at high dynamic range videos and Dolby Atmos, include with both options when available. And for the download options, you can tap on Wi-Fi, and in here you can choose between high quality or fast downloads. And that's it. And now you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for my videos.